The Supreme Court has just been asked to reconsider the legality of gay marriage. But I'm going to give you the basics on this you're not going to hear anywhere else, because there are three components to the legality of marriage, and this only deals with one. What happens to the other two? Well, you know I've got your basics. So in 2015, the court decision in Obergefell v. Hodges legalized same-sex marriage nationwide. That said, the right to marry is a fundamental right guaranteed to same-sex couples by the 14th Amendment. It contradicted DOMA, that was the Defense of Marriage Act, made federal law in 1996, clarifying marriage is between a man and a woman. So remember Kim Davis? She was the former Kentucky County Clerk who was jailed for almost a week that same year in 2015 after she refused to issue a marriage license to a gay couple on religious grounds. She's bringing this suit, appealing a $100,000 jury verdict for emotional damages and asking for $260,000 in attorney's fees, arguing First Amendment protection for free exercise of religion, meaning that she shouldn't have to be forced to issue those types of marriage licenses in the first place. The Supreme Court may or may not take this case up, and it's fair to say that the national temperature on gay marriage is very different today than, say, when the whole Prop 8 disaster happened here in my beautiful but tragic state of California. So you guys remember in 2008, the people voted for Prop 8, stating marriage was between a man and a woman, and then a state judge just, boop, overturned the vote of the people and the prop. Judges pulling that kind of above their pay grade nonsense today seems a little more commonplace, but it shocked the whole country back then. So here's what we're dealing with from a legal standpoint today. There are three components of legal marriage, should you dare to attempt it. 1, the number of people marrying. 2, the age of the people getting married. And 3, gender, which is what we're talking about in Obergefell and now with this case before the court. So the question has always been and remains, if you change one element, what's to say the others aren't open to change as well? 3 people getting married, an adult marrying a minor, or heck, these days, someone wanting to marry their cat or their car or a property or themselves, and petitioning the courts, or let's say even the IRS, for accommodations based on that union. As always, it has implications that go farther than love is love, and you should be able to marry who you want. Legal, financial, moral, ethical, cultural, and biblical implications. I know who I'm going to claim I'm married to. What do you guys think about all this? I always want to know. Tell me in the comments.